Hello. Well, it's been 1 week since I had an accident, and I want to share with you my learnings about hospital communication. There I am in the emergency room with my attempt at a thumbs up. There was a sign on the door that I think directly addresses things we have in business communication writing, the use of jargon, the privacy of all ED patients. It means emergency department patients, which threw me off because I was thinking of the emergency room. You'll notice there's a lack of consistency regarding periods at the end of sentences, like here's a period, and that's the only other one we see. Here's a period, and it's zip, nothing. There was lack of punctuation in terms of a comma. There was a good use of visuals to communicate ideas, which is the same in business papers, as you all know, and in business slide decks, where visuals are very, very important. Here, of course, is the pain management visual. Anybody else that's had an accident is familiar with that. I thought this was interesting. How do the items in the last box relate? Well, this was for Business Communication 301, but it relates to everything. In business, we want to treat everyone with courtesy and with respect. We do want to manage painful relationships. Always try to listen. And one good way to do it is to repeat back what the person just said to you. And don't delay. In today's world of instant email and texting, promptness is valued. Well, I thought this was a clever way of how the doctor described my injury. He drew it on the back of a Kleenex box, but one also has to always remember that visuals are critical to business communication. Here, for your benefit, is his drawing of what happened when I slipped and fell on ice at the FHSU parking lot and smacked myself on the hip. Apparently, I tore a muscle right off a bone, which I never even knew you could do. So that's it. I hope this gives you some insight about hospital communication. Even in an emergency room and I was in great pain, my wife was taking photographs for me.